Good afternoon. It's July the 27th, 2016, and we've survived another FOMC meeting. An announcement where rates were left unchanged. We talked about yesterday that the market said next possible probable high interest rate increase would be September, followed by December. Goldman just came out and released their findings, and about 30% chance they'll raise rates in September, and a 47% chance they'll raise them in December. So our assessments going into it are pretty good. We came in basically seeing a do-nothing day, selling failure to take out 70, 72 and a half. We had 60, 65 is our first little support band, and we did get some support here. The selling was blamed on right in here, a $5 billion order at the market that took us down. We had some of that yesterday too that took the market both places. So just quickly, this retest failure trade up here worked well. That S worked well. This S, or this retest failure, or that S worked well. This S right here would have been a loser. A no trade here. Counter trend trade right here on this B would have made a little. FOMC, that's the news. We like the market. If it was good, because of the bad news, Fed would have to stimulate and pump up the markets, although the market did react accordingly to the headline and did try to break. But again, right here, let the software do the work for you. Winning trades. So if you're having trouble trading and you can't get it together, just take yourself out of it as much as you can. Let the software work for you. Looking at the F1 screen, outside day, that implies trading range. Looking at the F2 screen, here's the K whip or wrap, and we've started back up. Put it all together, we're going to look at the same thing that we have tomorrow. Now tomorrow we do have some news. We have international trade minus 61 billion. Jobless claims 264. Natural gas, don't know. KC Fed. So jobless claims at 264. So we'll be in the same situation. This 69 to 71 area will be sell 1. 74, 79, sell 2. On the buy side, we've rejected prices below 55. We're at 65 right now. Last rotate down stopped at 60, so 61, 59, buy 1. And then our 56, 54, buy 2. My guess is we're going to try resistance either in the overnight or early tomorrow morning. I still don't see any heavy selling or reason to sell out there because, you know, no matter what the market does, the Fed's going to support the market. No matter what the economy is, the Fed's going to support the market. And we do have an election that this White House wants desperately to retain control over. That part of the government, and my guess is they'll make sure that the Fed doesn't do anything to jeopardize that. It's really hard to go counter your boss. This idea that the Fed's independent died certainly under this administration. Okay, a pretty strong rally in treasuries given the fact that they might raise interest rates in September. The market has been strong. It's off its highs, so outside day, but a strong finish. So that says trading range. Double distribution up. Here's your K wrap and whip. We do have the 7-year auction tomorrow, so we've got a little bit different news picture. So 7-year auction will play sometime tomorrow. Trade balance minus 61. Nobody pays any attention to. KC Jobless claims at 264. So that'll be number 1. And in a 7-year will be number 2. And of course, as always, the direction of the ES. So right now resistance is at 18, say 16 to 20. So a little bit higher in Globex. 19s to 23s, sell 1. 27.31, sell 2. On the buy side, got volume today in the 7 level. We had the breakout at 13, so 9 to 13, buy 1. 1 to 5, buy 2. Looking at the 30-year, strong market, broke out in C. The market was stronger than the note all day long. So first resistance is going to be 8 to 12. So we take out that high at 12, maybe a 19 to 23, sell 1. And then 27 to 31, sell 2. On the buy side, we've got support 24, 28. So 17 to 21, buy 1. 5 to 9, buy 2. Gold resistance is going to be basically 30 to 35. If we get through 37, we can trade higher. I still think gold is pretty well supported, all things considered. You know, we had Catalan votes to leave Spain. This chaos around the globe is not going away. I think there was a bomb explosion in Bavaria today. We had the French priest murdered yesterday. So this market is pointed up. Don't see that changing. Had a very nice late run. Took out this high over here at 38. So maybe a little profit take in London. 39 to 41, sell 1. 45, 47, sell 2. On the buy side, the breakout came at 29. We're at 38. So let's play 30 to 33 for buy 1. Might take a 35 to get in, and then 25 to 27 for buy 2. Just hard to see gold being sold for more than a day or two. Crude didn't get much help today, even with the draw that was expected that we had in the APIs last night. So today's EIA numbers, they were looking for a draw of 2.1. It built 1.7. So the EIA number split with the APIs, but that's off the case. That happens more times than not these days. But crude's heavy and not getting much in the way of lift. So we've got continued selling here. Lower high, lower low. I think that 40 90 area is going to be the next stop. So 41.50, that high volume area. I think that's where the first place is. So 41, 41.50. Got a good shot at that tomorrow. We were talking about this high volume number at 4150 today. Then we've got the low volume number down at 4090. So here's the break at 40 to 50. So we'll sell currently at 10, 25 to 50, sell 1. 75 to 43, sell 2. It's 4150. We've got all this volume right here, so let's make 41 and a quarter, 4150 by 1. Might have to pay up a little bit, then 4075, 41 by 2. And the euro. Outside day trading range. Quite a spike late in the day in treasuries, gold, and the euro. It's a pretty big move. So, sell 1, 75. Sell 2, 90 to 110, 00. 111, I mean. So 110.90 to 111 even. And on the buy side, 1050. Really don't like that trade, but if 1050 does hold, can get long. Then basically 110 even. So 110 even to 111 is where I see the range right now. And that's it for this July the 27th, 2016. See you bright and early in the morning, and Fitz will see if gold gets sold in London tonight. We'll see if you got the inside skinny, okay? Y'all have a great evening. I'll see you bright and early in the morning.